Okay, everybody, I am going to show you how to take your top 100 list that everybody has and put it into your Outlook file under contacts. First of all, what you want to do is go to your top 100. I'm going to use Albuquerque as a point of reference so that everybody can see this and to see exactly what you're going to do. You take your top 100 that you get, the one with the prospects, your new and franchise tabs. What you will do is open this up, and you're going to delete several of the items that are here. You're going to delete A and B because we do not need those in the new tab or list we're going to be doing. So you want to delete those. You need the ship to and the top customer, franchise, new, 2016, and all of this all the way through until you get to growth, you can delete. Keep the company name, address, all of that. You do not need the three-digit zip. You can delete that. Last order, customer type, price, type of customer. You can delete all of that, including credit terms. And then anything having to gold mine, that would be all the last of this that you can delete as well. So what you're left with is growth column, company name, address, city, state, zip, order contact, phone number, and email address. Once you've gotten that, you want to go up here and save as regular Excel workbook. And I would suggest putting it on your desktop, however you can name it, to anywhere you want. Now we're going to change the Excel 97 to 2003 workbook, and we're going to save it as a CSV, comma delimited. Okay, so again, that's CSV, comma delimited. Just by clicking on Save As type, you can save that, and then I would actually put that as your top 100 CSV so that you know exactly what that is. Hit save. You now have that all done. Okay, you can close this out because you will not need that right now. Once you've done that, go over to your contacts. As you can see, I've got several of them in here. What will happen is it'll just show contacts. It won't show anything in your contacts most likely. Go up to File, Import, Export. You're going to import from another program or file. Hit Next. You're going to go to comma separated windows or values windows. Hit Next again. Go ahead and allow duplicates to be created and browse to your desktop where you put that. If you want to put it into a different folder, you can, just as long as you know where it is. Click what it is, the CSV file, hit OK. Once you've done that, you go to Next. You put it in, this automatically will come up with your contacts, and you hit Next. From here, this will be unboxed or unchecked. You want to check that, and it should bring you up to this field, which is your map custom fields. You're going to take your ship to, and what you're going to do is drag and drop over to job title. Top customer is going to go down to your business facts. Where is it? Apologize. Top customer goes to business facts. Your growth is actually going to go down all the way down here to notes, as you can see right here. So growth over to notes. Company name, you'll go back up. Company name, ship to, we've already got that. Address one, you have to open up your business address. You put your business street in there, or address one into business street, business city, state, postal code, or zip code. And then you'll go down here. Your order contact will go all the way up here to name into first name. And then the last two, phone number, just in your company phone, which is going to be right, or business phone, I should say, right here. And then email address is going to be all the way down here. You open up email, put it in email address. Once you've done that, this is the first and last time you should have to or need to map this information for this. Hit OK. Once you've done that, you hit finish. This takes a minute. It'll actually go through, and then all of a sudden you're going to have everything that you need in here. So you have, this one didn't have an email address. That also is going to alert you to know exactly who the email address or what email address you do not have. So Dan Garcia, let's go ahead and see about him. He doesn't have an email address as well. Very interesting. None of these have an email address. I wonder what happened here. So give me a minute. Okay, everybody, I figured out what happened. I had so many in there, so many versions, so I went ahead and deleted and came up with this. This is what it would look like once you've done this. As you can see, you open that up, you see your job title, your company name, all of that is in there for you, and your growth for the year. Of course, this is negative, so it's going to show negative. Your AQ41, or the Business Facts, which is your top 100 rating, that's going to change, of course, every month, but you can keep track of this if you decide you want to do that, okay? My suggestion is to go ahead and look at it as a phone list so that you can see a lot more, such as the Business Facts and everything else in here. Home phone, if that has, you can delete some of these. You can add extra ones by doing a right click here and field choosers. My suggestion would be to go ahead and put in your email address somewhere in there so that you can actually see what email addresses you don't have. Okay? All right. So once you're done with that, you have now just created a file for all your top 100 customers. You can add to this in whatever you want to do. Change whatever it is that's in here. It's all up to you, but now you have it in there for future reference. Okay.